guys, it's Chantel from Wildberry Quilting, and I am so excited. I ordered some new moccasins from Minnetonka. If you know me, you know that I am almost always wearing moccasins. It is very unusual to see me in other shoes. And the two pairs that I've had for well over 5 years. Wow, this is really difficult to get into. The two pairs I've had for well over 5 years, and they are still looking pretty nice, but they are starting to wear down on the bottoms. And I saw these and I just fell in love with them, and I thought it was time to get another pair to add to my collection. So these, they've got the little thing in there to hold them in place. These are so pretty. They look kind of narrow right now, but they will mold to my feet as I wear them. These are a native design. The lady who designed them, I forget which tribe she belongs to. It's listed on their website, and it's a limited edition design. And she gets royalties from each pair that's sold, which I think is lovely. We need to pay our artists, right? Moccasins are seriously the most comfortable shoes to wear. And they're so good. I feel like they are so good for my feet. It's like walking around barefoot, but with a little bit of protection. So I'm going to try these on for you so you can see them on. So this is them on. I think they are so cute. They look a little bit tight right now, and they feel a little bit tight, but that's normal with moccasins because they're real leather. So you want to get them, the Minnetonka run big to begin with, but you definitely want to get them a full size smaller because they will stretch with your feet and they will stretch regardless. So if you get them just the right size, they're going to end up a little bit big later, but these will stretch out within about the first couple times of wearing them, they will fit my feet just perfectly, and they will be the most comfortable shoes ever. So I'm very excited. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.